It is so good to be back on live again. Back in Hyderabad since last 2 days. I remember those wonderful times that I spent under that neem tree near the fish pond, which I really miss. So happened like I came back to Hyderabad day before yesterday, and day before yesterday I didn't had any kind of a clue what I would do, what is happening. I don't know what has happened that day, so no clue at all. And yesterday, um, some kind of hints that uh, I'm getting accustomed to the new environment, as if a fish which bought into a new pond from a different pond. That's what I feel now at the moment. Yeah. But today I think again, and it is much more inclined with the environment, that space here in Hyderabad, here in my home in Hyderabad, which kinds of which is kind of dawned upon me inside me that we always think nature is something which is outside, the place, the environment, the climate, the places, the kind of weather. That's all we think our nature is, what nature is. But when I was like being aware of what is happening the last 2 days and today, I kind of understood or have seen in me that there is a nature in me. In fact, I am getting accustomed. The inner nature in me is trying to get accustomed to the outer nature also, which is why it takes some time whenever you go to a new location. Uh, you will not be the same as in the previous place, but it will offer the new nature will offer something new for you, new experiences for you, uh, which is kind of a strange and new thing when you experience it, when you're open for it. So what I wanted to share with you guys is nature is not something which is outside, which is for sure, but you are the nature itself. So get accustomed to the nature outside and get in line with the nature inside and outside. You will be peaceful.